Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to record a voiceover in Audacity. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to do a voiceover in Audacity, all you gotta do is simply set up your microphone. Simply set up your microphone, open your Audacity app, and then in the device toolbar, select your microphone as your input device and select your headphone speaker as your output device. You can also choose mono recording. This is better for voiceovers than stereo. Now, you need to prepare for recording. Set your microphone position about 6 to 8 inches away from your mouth, slightly off to avoid pops. Now, adjust input gain like the mic volume slider in Audacity and do a short test recording as well. After this, you can simply record your voiceover. Press the circle sign and start speaking. If you make mistakes, just pause and repeat the line. You can also clean and edit the voiceover and you're all done. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.